How to store your luggage in New York. Cheap and easy. Full review and honest user experience. If you ever landed in New York hours before check-in or had to explore the city after checkout, you know how frustrating it is to drag your bags around. I faced this exact problem until I discovered affordable luggage storage options across the city. Here's my full review and experience. Most people get this wrong. They think the only option is pricey hotel services or airport lockers. But the surprising truth is that companies like Luggage and Bounce offer convenient short-term storage at shops, cafes, and local businesses for just a few dollars per hour. When I tried it, the process was super simple. You find a nearby location on the app, book it online, and drop off your luggage. Each bag is sealed with a security tag, and it's insured for safety. I left my suitcase at a cafe near Times Square for about 6 hours and paid less than. Locations are everywhere: Grand Central, Penn Station, Brooklyn, and even near popular attractions like Central Park. The staff were friendly, and the check-in took less than 2 minutes. The only downside? You can't store oversized items like bikes or skis, but for regular bags and backpacks it's perfect. So, if you want to explore New York freely without your luggage slowing you down, these storage services are a game changer. It's cheap, secure, and incredibly convenient.